Hi, my name is Patrick, and we're launching a IIFT workshop soon after CAT during the week of the between the CAT and the IIFT. 5 days we plan to launch a workshop for IIFT. The duration is 5 sessions of 1.5 hours each. The sessions are conducted by me and will include strategy for writing the IIFT exam. Now, IIFT exam is slightly different from the CAT. And one thing that I know is to crack any exam, your strategy has to be good. So we'll discuss the strategy required to crack the IIFT exam and how to go about it. So the session will be conducted starting from the day after CAT, starting from 29th, 30th of November and 1st, 2nd, 3rd of December between 9 and 10:30 p.m. So 5 days where we'll discuss whatever shortcuts, strategies, psychology as far as the IIFT exam is concerned. What is required to crack the exam? So one is approaches and methods to solve questions faster. If you look at a few questions in IIFT which is different from CAT, the DI, the logic is a little different from the way the CAT is. So we'll look at how to approach these questions and how to solve things faster so we can solve more questions. Strategy specific to IIFT exam, because when you move from one exam to second exam, maybe the contents could be similar, but strategy could be different. And what is psychology required to crack the examination. So this is the basic content of the course. The fees is 900 rupees. You can purchase the course at prep.patrick100.com or you can contact us or email us for more information about the course. Right? All the best and thank you.